Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show you how to change the battery in your Volvo XC40 key. First, gather your materials. You'll need a fresh CR2032 battery and a small flathead screwdriver. Make sure you have a clear, well-lit area to work in. This simple process will restore full functionality to your key fob, ensuring reliable access to your vehicle. It's a quick fix that anyone can do at home, saving you time and a trip to the dealership. Now let's open the key fob. Find the small release button on the side of your key. Press and hold it, then slide out the mechanical key. With the mechanical key removed, you'll see a small slot. Carefully insert your flathead screwdriver into this slot and gently twist to pry open the two halves of the key fob casing. Take your time to avoid damaging the plastic. With the key fob open, you'll see the old battery. Use your screwdriver to carefully lift it out. Pay attention to how the old battery was oriented. Typically, the positive side, marked with a plus sign, faces upwards. Now, take your new CR2032 battery and insert it into the slot, ensuring the positive side is facing up. It should fit snugly into place. Almost done. Carefully align the two halves of the key fob casing. Press them together firmly until you hear and feel them snap securely into place. Once the fob is closed, slide the mechanical key back into its slot until it clicks. Finally, test your key fob with your Volvo XC40 to ensure all functions, like locking and unlocking, are working correctly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.